here at Samsung. We're taking a look at the Galaxy Tab 2. It's the 7.0 model. So this is basically the cheapest tablet available right now in the stores, and it's been recently launched. It will replace the initial Galaxy Tab 7. Basically, it comes with a 1 GHz dual-core processor. It's got the 7-inch display, and I believe it's 1280 by 800 pixel resolution, and it's running, of course, Android Ice Cream Sandwich. Overall, it's not going to be very fast, but it should be quite efficient and should be quite portable as well. Not really tell you anything about the weight right now, but it definitely feels very light. Having a quick look at the features, on the front place you only have the very big display. Sorry about the condition of lighting here, so you might see me in there more than seeing the tablet. And basically that looks like a problem because I feel like the screen is not very bright. Right now we're having screen brightness set to 100%, and I can barely see anything with the lighting here. It's not outside. It's still bright enough to light, but it's not outside. Okay, so have a quick look on the back. This is plastic, but it feels very nice. It has a soft texture finish. It has a 3 megapixel camera over there, and of course on the side over here you have a power button and volume rocker. On the bottom you have 2 speakers, and I think that's a charging dock. And on this other side you have a micro SD card, and there is a SIM, because this is the 3G enabled version. I thought you had a headphone and a microphone. Price-wise, this is probably going to be quite cheap. The Tab 7 Plus starts at $399, so I expect this one probably starts at $299 or maybe something around there. Not really sure when will this be available in stores, but expect it to be available quite soon. And it's cool that it will be affordable and it will run Android Ice Cream Sandwich. Of course, it will have a decent powerful platform. It's not a quad-core, it's not a Tegra 3, but it's still Tegra 2, and it is still a dual-core 1 GHz processor, and that's actually quite good. Okay, that was it for this quick hands-on on the Galaxy Tab 2 7.0. Thank you, that was Mike from here at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona.